To help the Shark IQ robot navigate your home effectively, follow these quick and easy tips for optimizing your home for cleaning. First, place the dock on a hard, bare floor surface. This will help the robot dock quickly and easily. Place the dock with its back against the wall, with a clear path for the robot to return. Next, remove objects like loose clothing, phone chargers, power cables, toys, and drapes. Shaggy rugs and thin bathroom mats can be a challenge to your robot. Remove them before cleaning as well. Because your IQ robot will map your entire home, enabling you to select which rooms you want to clean, be sure to open all doors to rooms you'd like mapped. If there are any areas you do not want your Shark IQ robot to map, use your bot boundary strips to prevent access. For additional information, visit the Help section of your app or sharkclean.com/support or call this number.